Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in the last class, we have detailedly discussed about the major irrigation projects, which is under construction and also the existing ones. And we also detailedly covered about the Kaleshwaram project, right? So in this video, we'll try to just locate the major irrigation projects and medium irrigation projects in the state. It's just a map pointing class for projects. Okay, because they may ask questions about the medium or major projects location. Getting my point? So first we'll start with, already you know most of them here. So first starting with the Kadam Naran Reddy project. The Kadam Naran Reddy project. Can you look at here number 1, Kadam Naran Reddy project. So it is in Godavari Basin, provide irrigation for around 60,000 acres in this region. Kadam Naran Reddy project. Then number 2, Nizam Sagar project. Where Nizam Sagar project? Nizam Sagar project. Yeah, it is in Kamareddy. You can see the Kamareddy here, right? It is in Kamareddy. So it irrigates around 2 lakh plus acres in this region, 58 TMC capacity. It is on river Godavari. Then the Sriram Sagar project stage 1. You can see the Sriram Sagar project stage 1. It is an existing project located on river Godavari, and it irrigates around 9.68 lakh acres in the northern Telangana. It is called Lifeline of Telangana. This capacity is around 130 TMC. Okay. Then near to it, at the entrance point of river Godavari, you can see there is a project called Ali Sagar project, lift irrigation scheme located in Nizamabad district. So it stabilizes around 50,000 acres in this region. And near to that, you can see the number 5 project here, that is nothing but Arugula Rajaram Gupta lift irrigation scheme. It also is constructed to stabilize around 38,000 acres in this region. Okay. Then you have the lower Maneru, lower LMD, number 6. You can see this number 6, lower Maneru Dam, constructed on Maner. Maner is a tributary of river Godavari. So lower Maner Dam, where it is located? In which district? Karimnagar. Right. Then the seventh major project, which is existing project, that is here Bagareddy Singur project. It is on the river Manjira. It is on the river Manjira, and which district? Sangareddy. Okay, so it irrigates around 40,000 acres in this region, and its capacity is around 17 TMC. Okay, then moving on to one of the biggest project in Telangana, that is the number 8, Nagarjuna Sagar project. It irrigates around more than 6,50,000 acres in Telangana. Its capacity is around 105 TMC. Located on river Krishna, right? Then number 9, Project Musi. Project Musi, it is at the border of Nalgonda and Surapet. Musi. So this Musi project irrigates around 30,000 acres in this region. Capacity is around 9 TMC. Musi is the tributary of river Krishna. You know this. And then the number 10, Priyadarshini Jurala project. Priyadarshini Jurala project, you can see it is on river Krishna. And it is in the district of Jogulamba Gadwal. Jogulamba Gadwal, Priyadarshini Jurala project. So its capacity is around 1 lakh acres. Okay, 1 lakh acres capacity of irrigating Ayakat region. And then you have Rajoli Banda diversion scheme. You know that the Rajoli Banda diversion scheme is on Tungabhadra. Okay, though it is not actually located in Telangana, it is close to Telangana. It is a tri-junction of AP, Karnataka, and Telangana. So this scheme irrigates the districts of Jogulamba, Gadwal, Vanaparthi. So irrigates around 80,000 acres in this region. So this is on Tungabhadra, which is a tributary of river Krishna. So these are the 11 major existing projects in the state. Now moving on to the major projects which are under construction. First starting with number 12. See, I will provide this PDF for you. 12th one, Dr. B.R. Pranayita, which is located at Tumideti. It is also called Tumideti project. So where it is located? In Asifabad, Komaram Bhim, Asifabad district. Place is Tumideti. It irrigates around 2 lakh acres in this region. It is in Godavari basin. Then number 14, you can see the Sripada Elampalli project is almost completed project. Sripada Elampalli. Number 14, where it is located, in which district? Peddapalli. It is located in Peddapalli. Its irrigation aggregate capacity is around 1,78,000. Okay, and then you have the 15 number, Kaleshwaram, where the river Pranayita joins river Godavari, Kaleshwaram. So Kaleshwaram is under construction. It is under which district? Jaishankar Bhopalpalli, at the border of Chhattisgarh and Telangana. Jaishankar Bhopalpalli. Kaleshwaram project. What is the starting point of Kaleshwaram project? Medigata. Right? We will be pumping water from Medigata to Annaram, Annaram to Sundilla, Sundilla to Sripada. Link 1 about this of the Kaleshwaram project. Then likewise we have discussed the 7 links which we have in the previous class, right? And then moving on to the Mid-Maneru project. Mid-Maneru project. Can you see the number 16 Mid-Maneru project? It is in Rajana Sirsila. So this connecting Sripada Elampalli to Mid-Maneru is link number 2 of Kaleshwaram project. You know this. So Mid-Maneru project is in Rajana Sirsila on the river Maneru. Okay, Godavari basin. So here in Bagareddy Singur project also, yes, it is the existing project, but here we are digging canals for enhancing this capacity here. So it is under, the canals are also under construction. You know that the link from Mallana Sagar to Bagareddy Singur project, link number 6 of Kaleshwaram project, you know this. And then we move on to JCR project. JCR project, what is J Chokka project? It is in Mulugu. Okay, it is in Mulugu. Irrigation capacity is around 5,43 acres. 5,43,000 acres, which is in the Godavari basin of Mulugu district. Then down to that in Mulugu same, we have one more important project on Godavari here. That is PV Narasimha Rao Kantanapalli Sujala Stravantri project. Okay, in which district? Mulugu district. It is capacity is to stabilize around 7,50,000 acres in the nearby area. Then SRSP2. SRSP2 stage 2 project. You can see the SRSP stage 2 project. You know that the connecting Kakatiya canal, extending the Kakatiya canal to this here water. So the SRSP2 is Warangal rural area. SRSP2 project. Then you know we have the project called Alminati Madhav Reddy project in Nalgonda region. In Nalgonda region, right? So here you can see Alminati Madhav Reddy project in Nalgonda. 21. And then you have the project called Rajiv Bima Lift Irrigation Scheme, Rajiv Bima Lift Irrigation Scheme here on River Krishna. So its main aim is to provide around 2 lakh acres irrigation in this region using the backwaters of this project, Priyadarshini Jurava, this region. Okay, and then you have Mahatma Gandhi Kalvakurti project, Mahatma Gandhi Kalvakurti project, located in the district of Nagar Karnool, irrigating around 3,40,000 acres in this region. Then near to this Jurala project in Joglamba Gadwal, there is one more project called Jawahar Netampadu Lift Irrigation Scheme, around 2 lakh acres region. And then you have Koel Sagar, same on River Krishna in Mehboonagar district, one of the old project which is under construction. And Dindi lift irrigation scheme, we have a scheme called Dindi. You know that the river Dindi originates in Shabat Hills of Mehboonagar, and there is a one big project on in the district of Nagar Karnool. Name itself is Dindi lift irrigation scheme. And then you have the Palamuru Rangareddy project, connecting from here to Palamuru Mavnagar to Rangareddy region with series of lift irrigations. It is the project intended to irrigate around 12,30,000 acres is the reason. And then the 28 number. See, I know that these topics are like big factual because already we have discussed about the information related to these projects here. This is just to quick revise. Whenever there is a need, then you can look into this video for revision. Then 28 project, Sitaram lift irrigation project, which is located in Tumugudam on river Godavari. In which district? Bhadradri Kottagudem. Okay, and then you have Lower Penganga project near to Adilabad. On the same Penganga river, you have Chanaka Korata barrage. It is a medium project. Helps the state of both Maharashtra and Telangana. It's the border of Maharashtra and the Yatmal district of Maharashtra and Adilabad district of Telangana. Okay, so these are some of the major projects which are under construction in Telangana. Similarly, we'll also look into the projects which are under construction, medium and major projects which are existing and under construction. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. We are looking into the medium projects of Telangana. Medium project here. Right. So can you see the screen? Yeah, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are looking into the medium projects. First, we'll look into the existing medium projects, and then we'll move on to medium projects under construction. See, they can ask this on one side of the question, they'll ask the project name, and other side they'll ask you to match. Okay, that's why we are discussing this. Just keep these things in your back of mind. If in the examination, if these kind of questions comes, you can eliminate the options. Okay, right. So looking at the first project, can you see this Varna project number 1 here, which is in district of Nirmal, Swarna project. Irrigation capacity around 9,000 acres. Then in Komrambi Masifabad, you have Vattivagu project in Komrambi Masifabad. And in same, once again, in project number 3 in the Nirmal district, you have one more, in Adilabad district, you have project called Satnala project. Okay, Satnala project number 3. And in 4, Chelmevagu project or NTR Sagar. Chelmevagu project or NTR Sagar project. It is located in Komrambi Masifabad district. See, Chelmevagu, Peddavagu, these are all tributaries of river Godavari, streams of river Godavari. Then you have one more project here in Komrambi Masifabad, that is PP Rao project, or it is called Erravagu project. Irrigates around 10,000 acres of land in this region. Then 6, Gandenna Suddavagu project. Gandenna Suddavanu project. It is located in the Nirmal district. Gandenna Suddavagu project located in Nirmal district. And then you have the Kanapur Canal. Kanapur Canal here in Nirmal district. And you have the project called Ralivagu project. Ralivagu project in Mancherial area. You can see here, Ralivagu project, it actually bordered Peddapalli and Mancherial, Ralivagu project in Mancherial. And then you have Mattadivagu project. Mattadivagu project number 9. It is on Mattadivagu in Adilabad district. Mattadivagu project. And then we have Pocharam project. If you remember, we have a wildlife sanctuary called Pocharam, right? Famous for migratory birds. So Pocharam, it is in Kamareddy, Pocharam project. And then we have Ramadugu project in Nizamabad. Number 11, you can see here, Ramadugu project in Nizamabad. And then you have Kaulas Nala project in Kamareddy. Kaulas Nala project in Kamareddy area. And then you have the Shanigaram project. We have Shanigaram, there are hills called Shanigaram Hills in Siddipet region. So your Shanigaram project is in Siddipet. All these are around 10 to 15,000 acres of land. They will be irrigating 10 to 50,000 acres of land. So that's why we consider as them medium. And then we have Boggulavagu project. Boggulavagu project number 14, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Okay. And then we have the project number 15, Upper Maneru project in Rajana Sirsila. You know that the Maner river originates in Rajana Sirsila, in the Sirsila hills of Rajana. Yeah, Upper Maneru, Rajana Sirsila. And then we have Nallavagu project. Nallavagu project in Sangareddy region. Then 17, you have the Ganpur Anicut. Ganpur Anicut in Medak area. Ganpur Anicut in Medak area. And then you have Ramappa Lake. Where do we have this Ramappa Lake? We have discussed this in lakes of Telangana, right? Where do we have? In Mulugu, right? In Mulugu, we have the Ramappa Lake. Okay, you can see here Ramappa Lake, Mulugu. And then you have Mallur Vagu project. Mallur Vagu project. Mallur Vagu project here. Then moving on to Paka Lake. You know that the Paka Lake is located in Warangal Rural. Which river originates from Paka Lake?
Munneru.
Let's see, yeah, Munneru River. Project number 2, Paka Lake. And then you have Laknavaram Lake. Laknavaram Lake is also in Mulugu. It is a famous tourism spot here. You have suspension bridge in this region, Laknavaram. And then you have Vaira project, 22, 21 project number, Vaira, 22 project number, Vaira. Vaira is a tributary of river Krishna. Okay. And then in Khammam, there is a project called Lanka Sagar project in Krishna Basin. Then here in Bhadrati Kottagudem, we have one more project called Pedavagu project in Bhadrati Kottagudem. All these are in, this is in Godavari Basin. And then you have Bayaram tank. Bayaram is famous for what? Bayaram tank. So it was constructed by Mailamba, sister of Ganpati Deva. And this Bayaram region,
Iron ores.
iron ore resource. Right, very good. Then in Bhadrati Kottagudem, there is one more project called Taliperu here on river Godavari. Salperu is actually one of the tributary of river Godavari, small river. And we have Gundalavagu. So the Gundalavagu project here in Manchiral region. And then you have Kotpalli project in Vikarabad area. Vikarabad Kotpalli project. And then we have Dindi project in Nagar Karnool. You know this. And there is existing project called Asif Nagar project. If you know, it was constructed during Nizam period. On river Musi, right? Then we have the Koil Sagar project, one of the old project in Mehboob. So these are the medium projects which are existing. And there are few 5 to 6 minor projects which are under construction. So first one is the Pedavagu project, which is under construction. Pedavagu project, which is under construction in Komrami Masibabad. Gullavagu of Mancherial. And same, there is one more project called Nilvai or Pedavagu project in Mancherial. And then we have Chotpalli Hanmant Reddy lift irrigation scheme in Nizambad. Okay. And then we have Lendi project in Khammam. It's under construction. And Kinnaresami Dam Canals in Bhadrati Kottagudem Dam Canal. And here in Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, you have the Pallemvagu project. Pallemvagu project. So these are the medium projects which are under construction. See, I know this, they are all for the, it is important to remember the major projects which are under construction, which are existing. Okay, it makes sense because they irrigate lakhs of acres in Telangana, so they're like important to that particular districts. But medium projects, it is very difficult to remember because there are more than 30 medium projects. So what you have to do is just repeatedly watch this video for more than a couple of times. If you are able to register the names and places, that's fine. Okay, you need not to stress upon these topics for too long. Is it clear? I'll share this map with you. See, only thing is in the last time group one filling, they have asked these projects and districts, then they ask you to match. So if you are perfect at 10 to 15 medium projects, then you can eliminate the other options, right? So that is about the projects. So take 5 minutes of break. So once again, re-log in to this link. We'll start agriculture because it is purely factual, right? You need 5 minutes break so that you can get refreshed and start agriculture topic. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.